AI. It's changing everything, right? Like every day there's some crazy new thing it can do.
Absolutely.
But get this. It's now on the battlefield. Like AI is being used in defense.
Wow. Really?
Yeah, like helping make real, and I mean like real life or death decisions.
That is pretty intense.
And the company behind it, it might surprise you.
Like, who are we talking about? Google, Microsoft,
Not the usual suspects. It's Anthropic.
Anthropic.
You heard of them?
Honestly, I can't say I have.
Yeah, a lot of people haven't. They're a startup, but get this. They just scored a huge GE deal.
Oh, this is the one with the U.S. intelligence agencies, right?
Ding, ding, ding. We have a winner.
Yeah, I read something about that. Deploying their AI, Claude, in, like, top secret stuff.
Yeah, classified environments is what they're calling it. They're not doing it alone.
Oh, right. There were some other big names involved.
Oh, wait.
I think Palantir was one.
You're good. Palantir's in the mix. Known for, data analytics and all that.
Yeah.
And Andy AWS.
AWS, like Amazon Web Services. Wow. So this is really serious stuff, huh?
Yeah, this isn't just some research project. This is the big leagues. And it shows just how much the tech world and the world of defense are like completely merging.
It's kind of blurring the lines, isn't it?
Totally. So to really wrap our heads around this whole thing, we gotta understand what we're dealing with here.
Right. Like, what exactly is Claude going to be doing in these, classified environments?
Well, their terms of service, they actually give us some clues.
Oh,
They
interesting.
talk about identifying covert influence campaigns, sabotage, that kind of stuff.
Ooh, spy stuff.
Yeah, right? But get this. They even mention providing early warnings about potential military activity.
Wait, so like predicting when and where stuff might go down?
That's what it sounds like. Pretty wild, right?
Yeah, I mean, that's some next level stuff.
I know. So how does that even work?
Well, it's not like magic, right? It's
Yeah.
about data, tons and tons of it.
Right.
Everything. Think about it. Troop movements, economics, even social media.
So they're picking up on those little whispers online.
Exactly. Analyzing it all, looking for patterns, those little red flags that we humans might miss.
So it's not really predicting the future so much as connecting the dots.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it. Connecting the dots, seeing the big picture.
Okay, that makes sense. But, it still kind of makes you wonder, where's the line?
Right. Yeah.
How far do we let AI go in these kind of decisions?
Well, it seems Anthropic is thinking about that too, thankfully.
Yeah.
They've put some pretty clear limits in place, like no autonomous weapons, no using Claude for disinformation campaigns.
So no Skynet situation. Good to know.
Exactly. They're really trying to balance the benefits, which are huge, with the risks, which, let's face it, are pretty scary too.
Yeah, no kidding. And it's not just Anthropic doing this. Remember Meta?
Yeah.
Facebook?
Yeah.
They're letting government agencies use their llama models. Yeah, it's their AI thing, open source, so anyone can tinker with it, apparently. So, point is, that line between Silicon Valley and, the Pentagon, it's practically gone.
Yeah, it's like they're holding hands now.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
So where does that leave us? I mean, it's a brave new world out there.
Right. It's kind of amazing, honestly. We're talking about AI being involved in, war and peace.
Heavy stuff, right.
Definitely. And it's only going to get, more complex as AI gets smarter.
Right. Makes you think.
It really does. I mean, if AI can help prevent conflict, that's amazing, right?
Totally.
But what about the risks? The unintended consequences? Stuff we haven't even thought of yet.
Yeah. That's a good point.
You got to be careful.
Yeah, for sure. A lot to consider here. And that's what we're all about here on The Deep Dive. Getting you thinking, getting you informed, so you can make up your own mind. And this is one of those topics that you really got to, wrap your head around.
Yeah.
Because AI, not going anywhere.
Not at all.
So keep digging, keep questioning, keep learning. That's the best way to navigate this crazy future we're heading into.
Couldn't agree more.
All right, until next time, stay curious.
Stay curious.